Welcome to Generac Product Support. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to hard reset a home standby generator's control panel. This procedure will remove all power to the control panel and is commonly used to resolve temporary control panel errors and issues. Examples include controllers with a blank display, unresponsive controllers, not activated error messages, alarms that won't clear, and fix harness resistor messages. Please note this procedure will remove power from all appliances in the home, including clocks and home network devices. The steps to performing a hard reset include putting the generator into off mode, removing the 7.5 amp fuse from the controller, disconnecting the battery, turning off the service disconnect in the automatic transfer switch or on the main panel for the residence, and lastly, reconnecting all components in the correct sequence in order to safely restore power. Step 1. Press the red button on the generator control panel to turn the unit off. Step 2. Lift the rubber flap and remove the 7.5 amp fuse from the controller. Next, Step 3 will be disconnecting the battery. To access the battery, remove the front and side panels. To remove the front panel, lift it straight up and out while the lid is open. To remove the side panel, use a 4mm hex key to remove the mounting screws. Then, remove the L-bracket screws. After, disconnect the battery starting from the negative cable first, then following with the positive cable. Step 4. Locate the service disconnect, also known as the mainline circuit breaker switch, for your residence. This will be the breaker switch that comes immediately after your utility meter. The switch may be located inside the automatic transfer switch, in the main panel for the home, or in a standalone box. Once the service disconnected switch is located, turn it to the off position. The last and final step is reconnecting power. First, reconnect the battery by connecting the positive cable, followed by the negative cable. Second, replace the 7.5 amp fuse for the controller. Third, turn the service disconnect breaker back to the on position. Lastly, press the auto button on the generator controller. The hard reset is now complete. For any further questions or concerns, please call your local authorized Generac service dealer. Thank you for watching Generac Product Support.